Ad groups explained. Build high-performing PPC campaigns. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I want to talk about the ad groups explained, how you can actually build high-performing PPC campaigns. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Maury, and on this channel, we talk all things about paid media for beginners. So if you're new to pay per click or paid media, this is a great channel to start with. I have my free paid media resources down below. That is a Google Excel sheet with all type of helpful resources completely for free. A lot of the templates that I use and just, checklists that I follow and things like that are helpful for me, I feel like will be helpful for you as well. If you're looking for somebody to help you set up your ad groups, or you're running your agency and you're looking to hire more talent, feel free to book a 30-minute discovery call with me. It can be anywhere between 15 to 30-minute discovery call, but we'll see if we're a good fit for each other, and I'll be more than glad to help you out if we are. I specialize in Google ads as well as Facebook ads, and I'm passionate about teaching people and helping people out. So, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get it started. So, when it comes to pay-per-click advertising, ad groups are the backbone for a well-structured account, right? That's why I want to make this video. So, think of them as building blocks that keep your Google campaign or your Google ad campaign organized and targeted. By creating effective ad groups, you can drive higher quality traffic and boost conversions and keep your advertising costs in check. So, what is this ad group in PPC? You might be wondering. The ad group is a crucial part to your pay-per-click campaign hierarchy. So it's like a container that holds a tightly themed set of keywords, text ads, and landing pages within your broader campaign. After setting up, your campaign ad account, and creating a campaign, you'll organize your ad group to make sure the right message reaches the right audience at the right time. Okay? So, why are ad groups so important? The ad groups do more than just organize your campaign. They shape how your ads appear with, which keywords would trigger your ads to appear, where your visitors, they also control where your visitors land after they click the ad, right? A well-structured ad group helps you, number one, target your ideal audience with relevant ad copy. Number two, it ensures your message matches the user's search intent. Number three, it improves your quality score, which as a result will lower your cost per click. And then number four, it drives more conversions by aligning keywords, ads, and your landing page. Okay, so how do you actually create a highly effective ad group? If you want your PPC ads to work harder for less, then you want to focus on two principles. You want to focus on integration and consistency. Okay? So you want to focus on how you come up and how you build your ad group and how you maintain it. I have come across so many Google ad accounts where the business owner or whoever is in charge of their marketing, they just set it up and they forget about it. They don't even check it. And then they're mad because they're spending all this money and they're not getting any, results because they're not even checking on their ad groups or their ads. It's almost scary. But I digress. So the two main things that you need to focus on is the integration and the consistency. So you want to make sure that your ad groups contain closely related keywords, and ads that speak directly to your search term. You also want the landing pages that deliver your ads as promised, that deliver on your ads as promised in your ad copy. And you want this to be tightly aligned. Not only, wait, hold on. You want this to tightly align with, lowering your advertising costs, but also increasing your chances of converting clicks into leads or sales. So for example, if someone searches digital marketing services, right, your ad group should have keywords that are related to your marketing, or that are related to digital marketing, like ad copy that highlights your digital marketing offering, and a landing page that focuses on your services or focuses on those services. So by keeping everything connected, you'll achieve a higher relevancy, lower cost, and more conversions from your Google Ads campaign. So if you need help setting up your campaign, your ad groups, your keyword list, feel free to book a free discovery call where we'll get to know each other more, see if it's a good fit, and if I could actually help you out. I would love to if we're a good fit, but thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be nice in the comments, guys. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I read them all and I will reply back. Let me know. And also, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I have my LinkedIn. I also have my Upwork, which shows you the services that I offer, things like that. But with that being said, see you on the next video. Peace.